Hi guys, morning, good morning, and ayun, welcome to the vlog again. Ayun, samahan niyo ako mag-breakfast. Ayun, ito yung suit natin. Dito lang natin nabili. Ayun, tapos ayun, try lang natin mag-breakfast. Antok pa. Ito yung aircon, di ba? Oras na tayo tulog din. Tapos yun. Try natin yung sunrise. Tapos hindi tayo naka ng island hopping ba yan? Or island water activities. Kasi hindi tayo napagpabook ahead of time. Yeah. Ikot kasi tayong ikot doon kagabi. Yeah. Ayan mo, at least matipid. Sayin natin ang breakfast. Yung dining area. Tapos yung sa labas, pwede din sa malapit sa pool. So, yun, dito na tayo. Dapat kanina pa tayo nandito. Dagat. Batasyo Alon. Narinig ko lang yung kahit narinig lang natin yung aalon, yung ampas ng dagat ng tubig. Ganda. Tayo. Ganda dun, no? Hi guys, and yun, try naman natin mag-inquire sa mga stall dito kung meron pa silang na pwedeng makisama tayo or maki-join dun sa 4 Island tour. Kasi daming bangka eh. Feeling ko pwede yun eh. Tingin tayo doon. Pwedeng sasama tayo. Kasi yung sa Klook sa ano yun? Klook na company or sa Klook na company wala na available for today. Kaya hindi tayo nakapagtapo. May Burger King sila. And yun, try natin. Van. Hindi na lang malapit sa atin. Malapit sa hotel. And yun, morning ngayon, second day natin. Bukas, third day, uwi na rin natin. Maaga yung flight natin. Pero okay na din para mapagpahinga bago pumasok. Ayun, may private sila. Try natin doon. And yan, wala pa masyadong tao kasi feeling ko makatulog pa yung mga yan bago dyan kagabi. Kasi dami rin nag-inuman kagabi, nag-bar. Nan, ang talamak dito 7-Eleven. Kahit sa ang sulok merong 7-Eleven. Ayun, may ngayon tatry natin makahanap tayo ng travel tour. Try natin yung 4 Islands. Mag travel or sana makapag snorkeling or try natin ibang islands. Yan, daming ATM din. Yan, marami rin. Sarado pa, itong magbubukas. And yun. Tingnan na lang natin mamaya. Try natin long tail boat. Let's try kung pwede pa. Kasi maraming bangka try natin. Snorkeling. Okay na. Try natin kung pwede. Pag ano tayo. Try natin. Try natin.
Can you buy a ticket to Pranang and come from Delhi Beach?
Yes. 200. Not now. Wait, 60 for go and back.
At which time? There is no.
8 people go leave.
So yun na nga guys, sama tayo for 8 and nakasama tayo sa biglaan lang to, Poda Island, which is island siya na exclusive lang talaga. Bali total naghintay kami ng 8 persons. Ayun, ito yung mga kasama ko. Bring food. So wait lang. amazing. You've been here already? A couple of times?
Krabi is my first time. It's my second
First time
time in
ba?
Thailand.
Ah, you've been in Phuket.
Yeah.
I'm planning first to book Phuket, but I heard it's crowded.
It depends what type of trip you want. It
Just
depends
beach
where
or
you're
something.
going.
Really?
Yeah. Old Phuket is very, very small.
No?
If you're going to Patong Beach, it's more crowded.
Powder, yeah, that one.
Yes. But I've done both. I like both. I
Both?
think it's opposite. I like it. I've done some boat trips in the islands. Chill, it's nice. I went to Phi Phi Island last year
Really?
in a boat trip, but both two of the main beach are closed.
Ah, why?
Maya Bay is closed and
They're-
James Bond thing is closed too.
Oh, yeah.
Because the
Rehabilitation.
the water is getting sick, so
Oh,
they
really?
have to close it.
That's it. We're going to Poda Island. Kasama natin sila. Sila yung kasama natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Tatlo kaming solo. Dalawa yung couple. Ayan. Hello. Oh.
Thank you.
Whew.
Where are you from, guys?
Yeah.
Canada.
I'm working in Singapore, but I'm Philippines. From Philippines? Yes. There's a lot of islands there, but I don't know. I haven't tried. Only Boracay. Been visiting Boracay. Really? Heaven, right? Yeah. Really?
Private island.
Have you been there before? Have you been there before?
This one, no.
First time.
But it's the only one that looks like very nice.
Oh, yeah. Ken? Chicken. Wow, what's that? What's that? We'll stay here for until 3. Wala kainan. Mamaya na tayo kakain. Maganda rin. Clear yung water. Mas maganda nga dun sa pinagstayan natin. Try natin ikutin yung ano, yung buong island. Try natin. Nice bottle there. Welcome to Poda. Wow, there's a flying fish. Hindi nyo nakita, no? Flying fish yun. Welcome to Poda Island. Poda, they call it Poda. And maraming ano, white sand. White sand na rin siya. Try natin mag-snorkeling or